everyone, let's make chicken tandoori. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? Pay close attention to the way I cut the chickens and do it just like me. This cutting method is the result of my experience working in a restaurant. Transfer the chickens to a deep bowl. Add condensed yogurt, lime juice, garlic paste, ginger paste, paprika, garam masala, red pepper, green chili pepper, and olive oil and mix it well. Do not forget the salt. Let it rest for 2 hours. In the meantime, we make the special sauce for this dish. Add lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, coriander and mint to the mixer pitcher. Now add mayonnaise, yogurt, salt, black pepper and a little garam masala to it and mix for a few more seconds. Leave it in the refrigerator until the flavors mix well and the sauce cools and reaches the desired texture. We want to make the chickens smoky. Careful and please try this at home. We just need a bowl, charcoal and oil. So easily. Let it get smoky with the door closed for 15 minutes. Start skewering the chickens. Just like me. You can cook this food in the oven or pan or grill it on cast iron. Let it cook well till it's blushing. Be sure to serve with rice or bread. Peace be upon India. It's great. Have fun making the chicken tandoori. See you later.